Captions are indeed one of the best tools to enhance understanding. They provide clarity, improve accessibility, and allow people to follow along, regardless of language or hearing ability.
Join me as I try to bring these magic trees to life using only my finger painting skills. Finger painting reflections is an incredible technique that can breathe life into ordinary objects, and today, I'm excited to show you how it can transform trees into living, breathing beings. It's all about tapping into your imagination and creativity, and I promise you, the results are nothing short of magical. We've all been guilty of thinking of trees as static objects, just standing there, looking pretty. But that's so far from the truth. Trees are vibrant, they're full of life, and they have their own unique personalities. The challenge is, how do we convey that through art? It's easy to get stuck in the mindset that trees are just, well, tree-like. But what if we could capture their movement, their energy, their essence? That's what I want to explore with you today. When we think of trees, we often think of just their physical appearance, the trunk, the branches, the leaves. But what about their spirit? What about the way they make us feel? That's what I want to tap into with my finger painting. I want to show you that with just a few simple techniques, you can bring a tree to life on canvas. It's funny, when we're kids, we're encouraged to use our imaginations, to dream big, to think outside the box. But as we grow older, we're often told to be more realistic, to focus on the facts. But I believe that our imagination is what sets us free, what allows us to see the world in a new light. And that's exactly what I want to do with these trees. I want to set them free. Let's talk about some of the techniques you can use to depict trees with finger painting. One of my favorites is using layering to create texture and depth. You can start with a rough outline of the tree, and then build up layers of color and pattern to create a sense of movement. Another technique is using expressive brush strokes to capture the energy of the tree. You can use bold strokes to convey the strength of the trunk, or delicate strokes to hint at the gentle sway of the leaves. When it comes to colors, the options are endless. You can go for a more realistic approach with greens and browns, or you can get creative and use vibrant pinks, blues, and yellows to capture the tree's personality. And what about style? Do you want to go for a more abstract, expressive approach, or a more realistic, detailed look? The beauty of finger painting is that there's no right or wrong, it's all about experimentation and having fun. Now, I know what you're thinking, this all sounds great, but how do you actually bring it all together? Well, that's what I want to show you next. Let's take a look at this stunning time-lapse of a finger painting coming together. You'll see how I use a combination of techniques to transform a blank canvas into a lively tree scene. Isn't that incredible? Seeing it come together like that really is magical. And the best part is, you can do it too. With a little practice and patience, you can bring your own trees to life with finger painting. So, to recap, I hope I've inspired you to see trees in a whole new light, not just as static objects, but as living, breathing beings with their own unique personalities. And I hope I've shown you that with finger painting, you have the power to bring that magic to life on canvas. Let's see what I can come up with. Today, we're going to explore the world of wild green art creations, where creativity meets eco-friendliness, and Clorv finger paints take center stage. These innovative paints are not only fun to use, but they're also kind to the environment, making them the perfect choice for our artistic adventure. When it comes to art supplies, it's tough to find materials that are both engaging and eco-friendly. Many art supplies on the market contain harsh chemicals, harming our planet and our health. But, as creative individuals, we want to express ourselves without compromising our values. So, how do we find art supplies that align with our love for the planet? For children, it's especially important to have fun and interactive art supplies that promote creativity and learning. That's why I'm excited to dive into the world of Clorv finger paints. One of the biggest challenges for parents and educators is finding art supplies that cater to different ages and skill levels. Some art supplies are perfect for young children, while others are better suited for adults. It's hard to find a versatile art supply that can be enjoyed by everyone. But, with Clorv finger paints, the possibilities are endless. From toddlers to seasoned artists, these paints offer a world of creative possibilities. As we navigate the world of eco-friendly art supplies, it's clear that Clorv finger paints stand out from the rest. Not only are they made from natural ingredients, but they're also free from harsh chemicals, making them perfect for our planet and our health. Let's take a look at the amazing colors and textures Clorv finger paints have to offer. With a range of vibrant hues and unique textures, these paints are sure to inspire any artist. From bold and bright colors to soft, pastel shades, Clorv finger paints have something for everyone. Their smooth, creamy texture makes them a joy to work with, and their blendability allows for endless creative possibilities. One of the things I love about Clorv finger paints is the way they can be used to create intricate, detailed designs. You can mix and match colors to create one-of-a-kind textures and patterns. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner, these paints offer endless opportunities for creative expression. As we explore the world of Clorv finger paints, it's clear that the possibilities are endless. From abstract art to realistic landscapes, these paints can be used to create anything your imagination desires. And, with their eco-friendly ingredients, you can feel good about what you're creating. Now, let's get started on our art creation process. We're going to take a blank canvas and transform it into a stunning masterpiece using nothing but Clorv finger paints. Grab your paints, and let's get creative. As I begin painting, I'm immediately struck by the vibrant colors and smooth texture of the Clorv finger paints. The paint glides effortlessly across the canvas, allowing me to express myself freely. With every stroke, I can feel the stress and anxiety melting away, replaced by a sense of creative freedom. As the painting takes shape, I'm amazed by the way the colors blend and merge together. The texture of the paint adds depth and dimension to the artwork, creating a truly unique piece. And, as I step back to admire my creation, I'm struck by the sheer joy and fulfillment I feel. The beauty of Clorv finger paints lies not only in their eco-friendliness but also in their ability to bring people together. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a beginner, these paints offer a chance to express yourself, relax, and have fun. In the world of wild green art creations, Clorv finger paints are a game changer. They offer a unique combination of creativity, fun, and eco-friendliness that's hard to find elsewhere. So, the next time you're looking for a creative outlet, remember Clorv finger paints, your planet, and your creativity will thank you. If you're as excited about Clorv finger paints as I am, be sure to share your own creations in the comments below. And, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more creative art ideas and eco-friendly inspiration. Thanks for joining me on this artistic adventure. Until next time, stay creative and keep it green.